Alright everyone, I now want to create some sounds for the bat. And to begin with, I want to create a sound for the bat flap. So if you're in bat already, which should be, go to sounds. You might find there's something left over here from the ghost, like a moan. You can get rid of that if so. Choose a sound. And I'm looking for the whoosh, high and the low whoosh. So here's the high whoosh. So now I've got that. So I'm going to go back and get the low whoosh. Just type in a WH here, should tell me right there, low whoosh. Okay, on both of these, I'm going to get rid of this long tail. So I'm just going to drag from the right, and then hit delete. And then the same with high. Drag from the right, hit delete. And then we can make these softer. I like to get it nice and soft. You might not be able to pick it up on the microphone when it gets too soft, but that's what I recommend doing. And then go back to the code. And so we have the bat flap here. Go to sounds. And we want to start sound, low whoosh. Just stick it in there. And then start sound, high whoosh in the other one. And then this should okay, so I'm not too pleased with that. It sounds too much like a sword swishing through the air and not enough like a bat. So the trick to that is to kind of play around with the fast and the soft. So maybe make it a little bit faster. That makes it a little higher. And then a little bit softer. I think that's soft enough. That sounds a little bit better. Okay, and basically you can play around with this until you get a sound that you like. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.